Next up is the loading area key on farm. What we need to do is on farm, head across to the loading area all the way up here, and on this left side of the building, you'll find a locked door. This is where the key goes. So making our way to the loading area over here, there is an airdrop just behind it, which usually attracts quite a few players for good reason. There's pretty good loot in it, so just keep your wits about you. Also, not to mention, there's usually a ton of scavs here, especially mid to late game. So coming into this area, there are very angry scavs. After clearing the area out, this main building over here to the left is where we need to head. There is a window here, but you're not able to hop through it. Instead, you'll need to use the key here, and just inside, you'll find a long weapon case right in front of you. I didn't get lucky. And around the back, a large weapon case again with okay loot in it, and a good view of the crashed helicopter over here, as well as the outside area somewhat. Then also a home first aid kit you could get lucky in. And besides that, you'll likely find a little bit of loose loot peppered around here. And on the far left, yet another long weapon case. So there were 3 weapon cases and 1 med kit. Pretty good. That's pretty much it. Besides a little bit of loose loot, that's the key, and it's relatively worthwhile coming here, especially if you're in the area. So thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.